Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And a customer brought this phone to me. He said he needs to replace the microphone because the microphone is not good. That's the mouthpiece. So I took the phone from the customer and I replaced the microphone with a brand new one, and it's working, but it's making a cracking sound. All right, it's making a noisy sound on the receivers, here. So I need to open up the phone and troubleshoot where the problem is, because I have um, I have put a brand new mouthpiece, or you call it mic, in the phone, and this is it right here. So how would you troubleshoot and repair this problem as a technician when you get that problem? Let me quickly show you. Okay, this video is not going to be a long one. Now pay close attention at this microphone. This is a brand new microphone and I just soldered it on the PCB, but it's making so much noise. All right, it's making so much noise. All right, so how would you troubleshoot this problem? Look at this line. Okay, you see, so you are going to trace that line. You understand? Under it goes right under this memory card slot, and it comes out on the other side. This is the dot, and those 2 points are connected to 2 resistors, this one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, so what you're going to do is to put your multimeter on resistance mode, and the value you should get on this should be 1.4 ohms, 0.2 ohms, 0.6 ohm, 1.5 ohms is still okay. All right, so if you don't get this reading on these resistors, that means you need to replace those resistors. Okay, look at it. This is 1.4, this is 1.4 ohms, 1.4 ohms. Okay, and the other one, I'm going to read it right now. Okay, this is the first one. Again, let me read it again. You see 1.4 ohms. It means you can also connect a jumper straight. Look at the reading of this one, is so high, so it means this one is the problem. Okay, this resistor is the problem. I hope you've learned one or two things. You can make a straight jumper or replace the resistor. Thank you.